Good morning, this is Richard Smith here, and we're going to look at something for Key Stage 1 students. Can also be used with Key Stage 2 if they haven't done much coding before or computer science before. So we're going to use the famous code.org website. And if you follow through what I'm doing, you'll be able to try this on your laptop or your tablet, and then you'll be able to try it with families at home as well. So we're going to go to Teach. Now this tells you all the courses that are available, and it's incredible, but we're going to look at the Pre-Reader Express there today. So you click on it and it gives you a little bit of a background. So it says for 4 to 8-year-olds. So we're going to go to View Course. Now, even though I'm not signed in and you can create a free account, you can see what I've done already. So I'm on to a squirrel activity, but I just want to show you some of the drag and drop ones that we did first. So you could do these individually with students on a tablet or a laptop or on the board as well. So I'm just going to go to number 9. So number 9 is to do with the fact that these are individual blocks and you have to put them in the right order and they click into place. So that's the second block, and then that's the third block, and then it takes you to puzzle 9. But if I go backwards to here, you can see I'm now on to sequencing with Scrat. So I'm going to click on there, and there's a video to watch. Now you notice I didn't watch the video, but it's only 1 minute, so it might be worth watching, but I'm going to go to continue. So basically it tells you what to do. So obviously if the children can't read, you're going to have to either sit with your child or just look at the patterns on the animations and the blocks and have a go. So if we just click, we got to put that when run. Can you see it's the same as the house one? So when run, we want the character to go to the right towards the acorn, and it makes a nice little click sound. And then we're going to click on run. So that's a big orange button on the left, and then it should eat the acorn. So I'm going to go to continue. Now on this one, the acorn's 2 spaces across, so I need 2 of those. Can you see? Let's just do it wrong and see what happens. So it's really nice because it still moves, but it obviously doesn't eat the acorn. And actually at the top it says keep coding, something not quite right. So, and that actually said unused code as well. So I'm going to reset it and then run again. So you've got a 5x5 grid there, so there's a nice little bit of maths there. So this is a lot more complicated. Now, for younger children, we probably just use the arrows. So we're going to go across 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to go up 1. Now, the little n refers to north and the e to east. And I'm whizzing through these, so I'm really happy with myself. So this time we've got to come down. So it says there's an extra block at the end of this code. Drag it back to the toolbox and throw it away. So can you see I don't want that south one there. I just want to go down 1 and then across 2, and then I'm going to run it. Now we tend to think of that as debugging the code. So I'll just say that again, debugging the code. And it tells you, this is lovely, it tells you I've just written 3 lines of code, and altogether I've written 43 lines of code, and you can even show the code. Now obviously for the younger children, you wouldn't necessarily show them this, but you're using something called JavaScript. So you're using a text-based language, but it's done as blocks. So thanks for watching. So it's studio.code.org. I'm going to carry on with this and have some fun, and hopefully you will, either in school or at home.